If you have the problem of maintaining consistency in your characters, when you want to make your images to talk, your own image to talk, this video is for you. Okay, welcome back and welcome back again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your images to talk with perfect lip sync, consistent characters. Not only that, I'm going to show you the format you can use to do this. Yes, to make all the scene in your videos to be consistent. A lot of people have been reaching out to me and said that in the course of them trying to make their images to talk, they end up not having the same face, like the same character in all the scene. I'm going to show you a format that you can use to maintain consistency in all the scene. Okay, something like this.
Hello, welcome back. In this video, Victoria will show you how to make your pictures talk using free AI tools. As you can see, I am not human. I am AI created by Victoria.
So without much ado, let's just get into the practical section of this video. To be able to make your pictures to talk, look at what you are going to do first. Come over to your ChatGPT. Once you get to your ChatGPT, just kindly click this plus sign here so that you can bring in the image you want to use. So I'm going to click on add photos. Once I click on add photos, I'm going to import the image I want to make to talk. Okay, I'm going to use this mic here, this mic icon here, to say something. So I'm going to say, based on the image provided above, I want you to give me a prompt for me to make this image to sit in a modern office. The office should look like AI kind of office, like tech-wise office, where there is a touch of artificial intelligence kind of decor. And then I want you to also give me a dialogue of what I should say in that office. Something like, hello, welcome back. In this video, as you can see, Victoria will show you how you can make your pictures talk using free AI tools. And also, as you can see, I am not human. I am AI created by Victoria Utin. That is what I want this picture to say. And then give me direction on how the camera settings. Make sure that you capture that all the prompts should carry my face, the exact face. Yes, let my face not change in any of these prompts. Let my face remain the same. Thank you. So I'm going to just kindly click here to send. At this point, I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to come up with the prompt for me to generate to make this image of me sitting down in a modern office, decorated by AI, yes, kind of decor. So let me see. Here is it. Here is the prompt for the image, and here is the video prompt with the dialogue. Okay, at this point, I'm going to come over to copy the prompt for the image. Come over to your browser and then search for Gemini, the one that comes with Google DeepMind. So I'm going to click on try in Gemini. So once you get to this point, you click on this, you see this plus icon here, click on it. Then go ahead to upload files. I'm going to bring in the image again. Here is the image I want to use. So I'm going to paste the prompts copied from ChatGPT. Here is it, modern futuristic AI-powered office workspace with a dark, elegant tech aesthetics. Okay, so let me just kindly go ahead to send. Let's see if it will maintain my face, and let's just see. I don't know. Let's see. We are on this together. So then after this, we are going to transition the image, yes, to make it talk using video generation tool. Oh well, here is it, and I'm sitting down, right? I'm sitting down, but I do not love I don't like the aspect ratio. I would have preferred 16.9 aspect ratio. Maybe it's because I didn't include that. So at this point, I'm going to click here, see here, click here to download your image. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. Then we are going to move on to the next step. It's done downloading. So let's come back to our ChatGPT to copy the video prompt. At this point, here is prompt 2, which is the video prompt with the dialogue here. So what I'm going to do after copying the prompt for the video, I'm going to paste here. I'm going to come over to copy the dialogue. Hello, welcome back. In this video, Victoria will show you how to make your pictures talk using free AI tools. As you can see, I am not human. I am AI created by Victoria. Okay, no problem. So let me just copy from here down to this point. I'm going to come over here to paste it. I'm going to copy everything. Now I'm going to copy. Once I copied the prompt and the dialogue, I'm going to come over to Grow AI. Remember, you can as well use Flow, either VO3 to achieve this. Okay, so I'm gonna be making use of Grok AI. If you want to know how you can access Grok free, just check this video that is about to pop up. Yes, on top of this, just click there to watch the video to know how you can still access Grok for free. Okay, so I'm going to, once you get to your Grok interface, I'm going to come over to Imagine here. Click on Imagine. If you've not heard of Grok, just go to Play Store or Apple Store and search for Grok. So once you get to your Grok AI, you come over here. If by default it is an image, you switch over to video and then select your resolution, then select the duration and then the aspect ratio. I'm going to select 16.9. Okay, at this point, I'm going to bring in the image. You can see image. I'm going to bring in the image here, click on this plus sign, and then I'm going to upload the image, which is going to be this one, and then I'm going to open. So I'm going to wait for the image to be fully imported to the timeline. So while waiting, I'm going to just kindly paste the prompt. Now here is the prompt that I want to use to make my image to talk, and then here is the dialogue.
Hello, welcome back. In this video, Victoria will show you how to make your pictures talk using free AI tools. As you can see, I am not human. I am AI created by Victoria. Hello, welcome back. In this video, Victoria will show you how to make your pictures talk using free AI tools. As you can see, I am not human. I am AI created by Victoria. Hello, welcome.
Can you see that? That is very, very perfect. Perfect lip sync, consistent characters, exactly what the original pictures entails. So that is how you can make your image to talk, your pictures to talk. Some of you have been asking me, how can I make my own image to talk? This is it. This is how you can make your own image character to talk. Yes, with perfect lip sync. You can see that. So at this point, if you want it to be landscape, yes, if you want your video to be landscape, make sure your image, your picture is landscape. If you want it to be portrait, let your pictures to be, make sure your picture is portrait. Okay, so once you do that, you come over here, you see download here, click here to download your video. So you can continue like this and then get to create long video, yes, with this format. I just decided to show you this so that you will know that you can actually make your pictures to talk, and it's going to be consistent and perfect. Can you see that? I really hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to give a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and do not forget to share this video. Share it with another creator. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.